For the first time since right before Christmas, we picked up temperatures in the 60s today, at least in Rockford, 61 degrees, with many spots falling just short. DeKalb as well as Rochelle, just below 60 degrees. We have a good chance of getting more locations into the 60s, though, as we move forward this week. You can see temperatures tonight, in fact, stay above freezing, so we hold on to milder weather as we go throughout the overnight hours, even though things do get a little brisk overnight. May see some patchy fog late, otherwise a partly cloudy and dry sky expected throughout the overnight hours, and then for tomorrow, right back to it into the low 60s under partly cloudy conditions. Breezy south winds kick in with gusts potentially up to 25 miles per hour, and so that may help a few more locations get up to that 60-degree plateau into tomorrow afternoon. And that's all part of a somewhat wild week ahead. We have the 60s early, then we cool off a lot towards the end of the week. That's as rain showers move through between tomorrow night and Thursday morning. On top of that, those showers may be a little wind whipped, as we do have windy weather coming on in with the rain, especially Wednesday into Wednesday night. So plenty of activity coming during the middle of the week. Let's turn to future track, and that does have light rain showers breaking out by early Wednesday morning. You can see it's a little hit and miss early, but then they become steady after sunrise, and we may have some moderate showers from time to time. So a fairly rainy morning ahead for Wednesday. We get into Wednesday afternoon, may catch a short break in the rainfall, so it won't rain all day, but plan on you to be dodging raindrops from time to time going into Wednesday evening as those drizzly showers return. After another brief break, we see a cold front approach as of Wednesday night. This pushes more rain in. It could get heavy at times early Thursday morning. By the time we get to the end of Thursday morning, the rain should be to our south, but look at how much is coming down by that point. Some spots south of I-80 could get fairly soaked by that next round of showers, again coming in Thursday. I think in total, the state line picks up about a half an inch or a little more of rainfall. To our south, 1 to 2 inches of rain potentially, and that could cause some flooding headaches off to our south as we go into Friday. We may be dealing with some rising river levels as a result of all the rain on the way. On top of all that, the breezy conditions kick in tomorrow, could last at times into Thursday morning. Gusts potentially up to 30 miles per hour by tomorrow night, and then potentially over 40 miles per hour as we get into Wednesday, especially Wednesday nights. Be ready for some blustery conditions as all this rain moves on through. And like I mentioned, rising river levels possible. The rivers could be close to flood stage by this weekend, depending on how much rain we pick on up. Minor flooding is a possibility, but for now, that just looks to be a slight chance. So we'll keep you up to speed as we get closer towards the end of the week, but if you live near the rivers, just definitely keep an eye on them as we get into Friday and Saturday, as that's when we'll definitely start to see those rivers get a little higher as they absorb all of that rainwater and melting snow water. Temperatures cooling off late this week. We're back down into the 40s by the upcoming weekend. Friendly reminder, clocks go ahead early Sunday morning. And in our most accurate 10-day forecast, it looks like the cooler weather wins out, maybe down into the upper 30s again by late next week. James and Kristen.
Well, Alex, the clock is ticking on the high school football